Then click on cross application components.
टॉपिक कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ है 2.8 से?
Yes, business partners. Cross application components. SAP business partner is down. SAP business partner. ये वाला. Now click on business partner.
Basic setting.
Then you can go to number ranges.
Define number ranges. Groups and assign number ranges.
Yes.
Groups and assign number ranges. This one.
Okay, G. So now here click on position 1678. Enter. Or they have deleted our number range. Okay. Position 1905. Name. Okay, scroll up, full up. No problem, we will create. Let me see which one is looking good. Mhm. What we can do, not internal, external. We can do this one 04DV, 04FV. Take these two.
04 DV. This one.
Yeah, select these two lines below also. Okay, now click on copy button above. Okay, so the first grouping will be, we need to give 4 digits. So we will write down the grouping name code same like what we have our company code. So what is our company code? 919. Okay. Now to the next we cannot give 9991. So we can give 9192. Okay, so the first line column is basically you need to give your grouping number range to business partner range. So as we know that wherever we go, we give the same 4 digit code, which is our company code. Short name will be BPCUS 9191. Second column, BPCUS, BP Business Partner Customer 9191. And the below one will be BP Vendor. So BPVEN 9191. So one number range we are creating, grouping we are creating for customer, one we are creating for vendor. Okay, now we can change this to BP customer 9191 and BP vendor. अच्छा इसका नाम change करें. Go to the short name 9191 because our company code is 9191.
Okay.
BP
So
customer, business partner customer.
BP or business partner.
BP, yeah, because BP stands for business partner.
Okay.
Customer 9191. And same below you can write down business partner BP vendor 9191. Okay, now you have written down the number ranges. One is GJ, one is M5. So we are creating two groupings. One will be assigned for customers, one will be assigned for vendors, and we have given them the number range whenever we will create the business partner. For customer, GJ will be assigned and number range from M5 will be assigned to the vendors. Click on enter. Now
Vendor
click
code
on.
is right from this number ranges like vendor
So
code, vendor ID.
क्या क्या?
Vendor ID will be generated with these number ranges like a vendor code when we'll be
Yes,
creating a new vendor or
correct,
new customer. Okay.
correct. Okay, so click on save, enter,
Let's complete.
and
केटरिंग
yeah,
एलएलसी हो रहा था सर।
I have changed
हाँ
that.
हाँ सही, ठीक 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 ठीक, ओके।
It is my own company. I created that.
mm, good. Okay, Ji. Now, you can go back one more step, and then one more step back. But be here. Now go to the notes. Next topic.
सर ये थोड़ा सा बता दीजिएगा सर इसका, वो बिल्कुल ज्वाइन किया था तो थोड़ा।
When we are creating a customer,
हाँ हाँ।
okay, so SAP will assign a number range.
ओके।
So we selected one number range GJ for customer and M5 for vendors.
तो वो जो
So
कस्टमर के सब जीएल्स जो बनते हैं ये उनके लिए रेंज बना रहे हैं, किस
नहीं
तरीके
भाई,
से?
a
फिर
customer came to you, you will
हम्म
give him a number 01. A next
हम्म,
customer will come, you will give him a number 02.
करेक्ट।
So we are deciding what number we have to give to our customers and vendors.
ओके, तो ये कस्टमर नंबर जनरेट हो रहा है।
Yes.
ठीक है, और
Okay.
इसी वेंडर।
Now, next is, can you go scroll up 2.9? हाँ ये हो गया. Okay, now go down 2.10. Yes. We need to go to master data synchronization. So keep this open, scroll down to master data synchronization. Master data synchronization is down. Yes. Settings for customer integration.
Settings for customer integration and define number assignment.
First, now be careful. It is saying number range for direction customer to BP. Not this one. Field assignment.
Field assignment,
Field assignment. Assign keys.
define
Again,
number assignment,
again check करो कौन से वाला है. Go to the notes.
define number assignment for direction BP to customer.
Direction BP to customer. Okay.
Direction BP
First
to this one. Position,
no, but just select first two lines. Click on cancel. Select any two lines. Hmm. Click on copy. Remove this number range. Open the mirror. Scroll down to 9191. Click on this Google button and then write down 9191. It will take you exactly there.
this one,
Yes, yeah.
this one.
Choose this. Hmm. Double click on it. And then below write down 9192. Choose it. So we created a grouping. We name it here. Now come to the account group. Yes, in the last class we created customer account group and vendor account group. Open the mirror. Hmm. Choose it 9191 and also below 9191.
GL accounts will be mapped with this account group where posting will be done.
No. First
No?
press enter, then we will discuss.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So what is this? So today we created business partner grouping 9191 for customers and 9192 for vendors. In the last class we created accounts receivable and accounts payable. यार ये उसका भी accounts receivable ही आ रहा है vendor में भी. ओके
हाँ,
ओके. अच्छा ठीक है. Select second line को select करें या delete कर दें because it is for vendors. वो ऊपर right side of copy side there is a delete button below right side, yeah, this one. Okay, so we created a customer grouping and in the last class we created an account group and now we are assigning both with each other. As I said in my previous class, business partner is higher in hierarchy. Business partner can be your customer, business partner can be your vendor. So in the last classes we created accounts receivable and accounts payable. Today we are going to assign them with the business partner. Okay. So first we created a number code for business partner. 9191 will be for customers and 9192 will be for vendors. So now in this step, we are assigning our accounts receivable with business partner, customer with business partner. Click on save. Yes, go back. Now the same you need to do with the vendors. Go back, go to the notes. Now you went to the customer business customer integration. Now you will go to the settings for vendor integration. Assign keys. First one, direction BP to vendor. Click on new entries. You already know what to do. New entries. Write down 9192. We just created today. And their account group is 9191. Choose it and press enter. Okay, so this 9192 is my business partner and my vendor is 9191. I am assigning both with each other. Okay, click on save. This is the new thing in S/4HANA business partner. Before only we are creating customer and vendors, accounts receivable and accounts payable. That's it. But now this is the new thing. Okay, fine. Now you can go to the notes. Next topic. Define BP roles. This we only need to study. Scroll down. I can tell you 1 minute. Go up, go up. I will just teach from here. You guys can go and see over there also. There are so this first picture FLCU 00 orange line. If I'm going to create a customer in financial accounting, I need to choose a business partner role which is already defined by SAP. So you can note it down with you. FLCU 00 you will choose when you will create a customer in financial accounting. And if sales module will create a customer, he will choose a role FLCU 01. Okay. Same way for the vendor orange line FLVN 00. If financial accounting guy is creating a vendor, he has to choose a business partner role. So business partner role will be FLVN 00. And if procurement guy is creating a customer vendor, he need to choose a role FLVN01. Okay जी, that's it.
सर
So we,
सर ये
हाँ,
ये ये थोड़ा समझा देंगे, कुछ समझ
हम
नहीं
लोग
आया।
जब जाएंगे ना, when we will go to create a business partner, I
हम्म।
can show you over there. I can show you right now also. Right now, I cannot show you, but I can show you where are the business partner role. Jawad, go to the SAP and write down the T code BP.
This is actually based on the person who creating the BP code, right, Mr. Kaling?
The module, no, no, SNE, SNE, no, 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 slash O BP. The module who is creating the customer, slash O BP, enter. So when we will be doing the end user, yes, click on organization. We need to choose a role.
Yeah, security roles or like.
Create in BP role. This is the BP role. So first of all, we will create a BP here, which is business partner journal. After this, SAP will ask you whether it is a customer or vendor. If it is a customer, we will choose from this role FLCU00. And if it is a vendor, we will choose a role FLVN01. Next thing, here is the grouping. We created a grouping today 9191, which is for the customer, and 9192, which is for the vendor. So to create a customer or a vendor, we need to choose a role here and a grouping here. So the first step today, what we did, we created the groupings. So once we will be creating a business partner, we will be choosing our groupings. Then we need to choose a role. So for choosing a role, we will use either FLCU00 or FLVN00. And then we need to fill the data. What is the name of my customer, search term, postal code, city, address. That's it. Okay.
दिस इज
Clear?
फॉर यूजर एंड राइट?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So right now we are doing configuration so that
हम्म।
we can do the end user training.
ओके।
Okay. So this is all the backend setting. Because if we will not be creating a grouping, we can't create a business partner. So that is why we created a grouping, two groupings, 91, 91, 91, 92. Now
ओके।
we see what will be our role. So role are FLCU00 because we are financial accounting guys, and FLVN00. Otherwise, material management module can create a vendor with FLVN01, and sales module can create a customer with FLCU01. Okay, ji. Next, go to the notes and we will follow the next.
सर ये नोट से बता दिएगा बस, ये FLCU 00 और 001 हमारा है।
No, look
नो
here.
नो नो
The
सॉरी।
first line
या
FLCU00 is FI customer.
FI कस्टमर एंड देन FLV
FLCU01 is SD customer, sales and distribution
सेल्स
module.
एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। ओके।
And below FLVN01 is material management vendor.
ओके सो एफ सर थोड़ा छोटा लिखा हुआ आ रहा है इसलिए मुझे FLVN 00 है वो।
First line is FLVN00, which is FI guy, and
हम्म।
FLVN01 is material management guy.
ठीक है सर, ओके थैंक यू, अब सही दिख रहा
Easy.
है।
Okay, now go down. Next step. Here we don't need to do anything. So it is written here FLCU00 is FI customer. Okay, if you double click on it, but no need to change anything. Otherwise, everybody will cry. Okay, scroll down.
Transition objects.
One time, can you go to 2.12? Let me see again. अच्छा वो यही था. Okay, scroll down. 2.13. Synchronization, no need to go over there. It is very critical. Maybe it is not allowed to go over there. This is the backend setting of ABAP module where they have allocated business partner, customer, and vendor. So it is nothing for us. Scroll down. Okay, guys, after 10 minutes, we will do a 5-minute break and then we will come back. Activate our PPO request. We can go over there. Okay. This is also SAP ABAP settings. I want to show you here because sometimes error came here. So we are coming here in the end user training. So it is in master data synchronization. I'm teaching one more Arabic guy during the weekdays, so he is finding very much difficulty in understanding SAP configuration. So what I did for him, I started end user training with him also. One topic we are doing from the configuration side, one topic we are doing from the end users training side. So he is happy now because he is watching that, okay, what is happening in the real time. Go back.
Can we also learn the same way?
If you will learn the same way, then I will not do the end user in your company. You need to do end user by your own. And we will be doing the end user for a company which is already successful. So better digest it in the same way. And then we will go into the end user. I will be resolving the errors. You will learn how to resolve the errors. If I choose a company, like if I choose Abdul Rahman company, which we did in the previous batch, we will not find any error because we have already resolved the errors.
Okay,
So
so
for
after
me, very
configuration,
easy.
we'll be getting along with the what do we
We
say?
will be doing the end user
End
in the
user.
same company. Yeah, so you will be watching when we implement a new company, what kind of errors are coming. It is very
Okay.
easy for me if I choose a previous company and finish the course. Click here, activate PPO request. It is active.
Okay.
So sometimes SAP is giving a command to remove PPO or to activate PPO. And it is a topic of SAP ABAP. Why it is here for us? Because sometimes errors are coming. So I just came here to show you people. If any time an error came for the activation of the PPOs, okay, we will come here. Okay, nothing. We don't need to do anything here. You can go to the notes. 2.15, we don't need to do anything because here customer and vendor are allocated with business partner inside SAP, and you already checked over there in this previous step. 2.16 we will do, which is BP role for direction customer to BP. And we need to be very much careful because the names are very much similar. So we should not go into the wrong step. So go into the master data synchronization, customer vendor integration.
This one, define BP role for.
Yes, correct. So select first two lines. Click on copy button. Remove this group and open the mirror. Yes, 91. Use it. Now we are allocating our accounts receivable with our business partner roles, which we have discussed right now. Below also 91, 91. FLCU 00, which is for customers, FI side, and FLCU 01, it is for SD side. Click on save. Already saved?
It is
Save
saved.
किया?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
सर ये दोनों FLCU 00 आए हैं शायद,
नहीं,
नहीं?
नहीं, 91 position, account group 91, 91. One is FLCU 00, one is
सॉरी,
FLCU 01.
यस,
Yes, it
करेक्ट
is
करेक्ट
correct.
करेक्ट, सॉरी.
So the same setting now we need to do with the vendor. We will be choosing FLVN00 and FLVN01. First go to the nodes, step by step, no need to be fast. Because if we do any mistake here, it is not easy to find where we did the mistake in this settings.
Okay. So same navigation leading to define BP
But
role
you
to
need to go to the settings for vendor integration.
vendor integration. Yes. Settings for vendor integration.
Below, up, below, up, थोड़ा सा up, little bit more up, this one.
Define BP role for direction vendor to BP.
Click on copy. Remove this, open the mirror, choose your group, which is 91, 91. Enter. So the same things we have done over here also. Go to the nodes,
Business partner screen field group settings.
scroll down, let me see. We don't need to do anything here. Scroll down.
Define tolerance vendors.
Yes, we will do this. Go to the code OBA3.
Okay.
So first of all, we in the previous classes, we did the tolerances for our journal ledger accounts. How much amount a an employee can post, how much cash discount he can give. Now we are doing the tolerances for the vendor, the same things. Position 1678. Click on this, click on copy, change the name, company code 9191. Tolerance group name will be blank. Blank means for all. And then below, come to the permitted payment difference. This we already discussed. Permitted payment difference. Okay. How much amount a vendor can leave for you. How much amount you can give to a customer. Scroll down. That's it. Click on enter. Click on save.
Define alternative reconciliation accounts for down payments.
Click on this. Um,
OBXR.
OBXR. And then we will do for OBYR also. /n/obxr